Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.
Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the Pronunciation Pro podcast. My name is Annie Rudin. Recently got married, and so I'm Annie Page, but professionally, I have kind of established myself as Annie Rudin, so we're just going to keep going with that. So today we're diving into a question that I get all the time. Can AI teach me to speak English like a native speaker? And the answer is yes and no. So let's break it down for you today. So really, technology is advancing in ways that are truly amazing. AI has made language learning more accessible than ever before. There's tools like Elsa Speak, SpeechLink, LingQ, Rosetta Stone's AI features. There's Duolingo's new AI tutor, and apps like FlowSpeak, which we use here at Pronunciation Pro. All of these, and I'm sure you could add more to it yourselves, all of these are at the top of the industry right now. And it's really fun to kind of watch and see what is happening in this industry because it's quite amazing. I was hearing about kind of like in real time translation devices that are available and just like an AI speaking partner. So the technology is definitely advancing very quickly. So these programs are getting better and better at giving feedback on your pronunciation and showing you where you're making your mistakes and helping you practice in ways that used to be impossible without a live teacher. And let me just say this, I honestly hope that one day AI becomes so good at teaching correct pronunciation that it puts me out of a job. That would mean that my students, people like you, would be able to learn English faster and communicate clearly, get better jobs, and feel confident in their interactions. So problem solved, right? That would be a dream come true. And I would just move on to solving other problems that haven't quite been solved yet. And that's really kind of what we do in industry is we're solving problems. We're helping people solve problems and our world solve problems. And once we can solve that problem, then we move on to the next. And the truth is we will continue to see developments, okay, in AI. AI is moving fast and that's exciting. But here's the reality. As of right now, AI is powerful, but it's not enough on its own for most learners. Why is this? Because we are human, and humans struggle with consistency. We struggle to fully understand feedback, to get practicing even when it gets hard, and to push past the fears of making mistakes. So communication is not just about clear sounds. It's about connection. It's about overcoming the fear of speaking up in front of others, being understood, and feeling like you belong. And AI can't fully solve that yet. And that's where human connection comes in. You need real conversations, real feedback from people who understand your struggles, and then also encouragement from a teacher and a community. That's what gives you the confidence to actually use the skills you're learning. So here at Pronunciation Pro, I use AI tools as part of the process. We have an AI assessment and we have an AI practice app. And they're excellent for assessment and extra practice, okay? But what I've learned over the years is the more one-on-one or group interaction my students have with their trainers, the faster they succeed. Because when you combine the AI feedback with human coaching, accountability, and encouragement, that's when transformation happens. So can AI teach you to speak English like a native speaker? The answer, again, yes and no. Yes, if you're motivated, consistent, and find the right AI tools that work for you, because there's no one size fits all. And no, if you expect the AI tools to do all the work for you. Okay, there's no one solution for everyone. It is going to be different, and you need the right balance of tools and human support. And that's really actually what we provide here at Pronunciation Pro. So if you've been trying apps, these AI apps, and feel like something's missing, that human connection, encouragement, and personalized feedback, and then this is the place for you. So keep practicing, keep using the technology that is available. I love pairing the technology that you're using or you've found helpful with our trainer feedback and human feedback of people who have done this over and over and over again. But as always, I want you to remember that your voice matters, and we're here to help you use it with clarity and with confidence. Okay, that's it for today, friends. Until next time, keep practicing, keep connecting, keep getting out of your comfort zone, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.